Aquí estamos en la unión, que venimos a una junta, miren. Una junta aquí del comité de la unión de los carpinteros. Desde Sylmar, California, miren.
Brother conductor, we ready to open the meeting? Roger, that's a yes. There we go.
Can I get everybody to turn your cell phones on silent? There'll be no pictures.
Officers.
President Josh Reaper.
Here.
Vice President Michael McCarron. Here. Financial Secretary Joe
Desde el
Keefe.
local 661,
Recording Secretary Herbert
en
Hardy.
Sylmar, California, de los
Trustee
carpinteros.
Nicholas Reyes. The second communication from General President Douglas J. McCarron. He's special dispensation for Jesus Rogelio Corona and Sadie Jesse Lopez to transfer to Local 661 and the rights to attend and participate in meetings, to vote, to nominate candidates, and to be nominated and run for office to be fully preserved in accordance with 6A of the UBC Constitution. The request was approved.
Thank you, Brother Herbert. Welcome. The foregoing communications will be noted and filed. Reading of the bills. Filing. Chair recognizes Brother Michael McCarron.
Brother Chairman, I'd like to make a motion to suspend the regular order of business and get into the heavy hitters.
Excellent. I got a motion, I got a second. All those in favor of moving on to our special meeting, signify by saying aye. Aye. Any opposed? Ayes have it. Our November regular call meeting will be adjourned until Saturday, December 17th at 11 a.m. and that will be our official 661 Christmas party. I hope to see you all there and bring your family. At this time, I want to relinquish the chair to Vice President Mike McCarron.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Thank you guys for coming out. Hey, I just want to say this is going to be a great meeting. We got the executive board here from the Southwest Regional Mountain States Regional Council. We're going to go over that. We got new states. Local 743 got their local back. We did lose some members. We got, like I said, the whole executive board here from the council. Your EST Pete Rodriguez, executive board member Josh Raper, executive board member Frank Sombrano, vice president Sean Hartram. We also have our Western District Vice President here, Dan Langford, and full President Barry Jenkins. We're going to get into this meeting. We're going to kind of go over what the changes are. There's going to be a PowerPoint, and any questions we'll go over them, and that's what we're here to go over. All right. So hey, really look forward to seeing everybody get this meeting going. Thank you guys. I'll give the shirt out to you.
These two scaffolders residing in Kern and Mono counties will be transferred into the Bakersfield local. I would also like to request dispensation for delegates and representatives that will be impacted by this restructure. At the request of the UBC, we will submit separate spreadsheets that will include names and UBC IDs. One final request is the charter for the council. Since the mergers of Eastern Washington, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, and the special called convention to update the bylaws on October 29th in Las Vegas will be changing from the Southwest Council to the Southwest Mountain States Regional Council of Carpenters.
As we were since 2016, we had about 40,000 members. We're at 60.